You've got a killer idea. Now you need a website. But here's the million-dollar question. Should you build it with Webflow or Wix? Pick the wrong one and you'll waste precious time, money, and customers. In this video, we'll break down the real differences. No fluff, just facts that could define your startup's future. But before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Today, it's the ultimate no-code face-off. Webflow versus Wix in 2025. Which one gives your startup the best shot at success? Let's find out. Here's what you need to know up front. Wix is all about speed and simplicity. Webflow is for total design freedom and long-term scalability. Wix gets you live in hours. Webflow makes your brand unforgettable. Let's talk about design. With Webflow, you get pixel-perfect control. It's like Sketch or Figma, but builds real websites. You can animate every interaction, customize breakpoints, and even inject your own HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. But with Wix, you don't need a design degree. Just drag, drop, and you're done. Over 800 templates, mobile-ready, and AI assistance through Wix ADI. Planning to run a blog, portfolio, or news platform? Webflow's CMS is visual, dynamic, and developer-grade. You can even go headless and integrate with external systems. Wix has a simpler solution, Content Manager. Great for basic needs, but it starts showing cracks when you scale or go custom. Need to sell online? Wix makes it easy. Product pages, shipping, drop shipping, abandoned cart, all in a few clicks. Webflow gives you full control of the shopping experience, but it takes more setup and skills. Wix has a massive app market. Google Analytics, MailChimp, social integrations, all one-click installs. If you want advanced features, Wix Velo lets devs go deeper. Webflow is built for developers and designers alike. Need custom API integrations? Webflow's extensibility and REST APIs give you superpowers. Webflow shines when it comes to SEO and clean code. It outputs semantic HTML, lets you customize schema, and gives you full control over metadata and redirects. Wix has improved a lot, and tools like SEO Wiz make it beginner-friendly. But advanced SEO tactics, you'll feel the limits. Now what about growth? Webflow is hosted on AWS plus Cloudflare equals enterprise-grade performance. Wix scales too, but Webflow is the long-game winner. Here's the truth. Wix is cheaper upfront. You can launch on a free plan or upgrade starting around $16 per month. Webflow is an investment. CMS and business plans are pricier, but you're paying for precision, scalability, and branding power. Choose Webflow if you care about branding and custom UX, have some design, tech skill, or a dev team, plan to scale and manage dynamic content. Choose Wix if you need a fast, easy launch, have no dev design team, want to test MVPs quickly on a budget. So, can the Underdog Webflow beat the billion-dollar Wix? In some ways, it already has. For serious design, performance, and long-term scalability, Webflow is a game-changer. But if you just need to launch fast, Wix is your MPV builder. The real winner depends on you. Still not sure which one's right for you? Drop a comment below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to STALLYONS Technologies for more insights into the world of tech.